It's your turn to ban, dummy! 5 seconds, Morty. It'll be fine.
Şeylere.
You want a bag? I can get you a bag. What kind of bag? No worries.
What are we here for again?
Trying to help these guys win a game.
Win the game? Right? Yeah. Okay.
I'm Kane. Not literally. Drinking time. Always a stick of wood.
Сразу так темновато тоді. Ага. Блядь.
I don't see what even fuss is on. For me, the battle never stops. Sure.
Guys, what the fuck?
I'm keen.
I can't stay so.
You smell something? I'm under attack. Hey, how you going? Anyone know where we're going? Choice.
Abbas! Abbas! Артем жанаасан бата. О, блядь.
Nice, open.
Just follow my tail. Wicked. Gourmet cookie. Uh-huh. Yeah. Leave it.
Ah.
Always on the
بلاد. My bad.
Take me, take me. You can save me, man. It's no ball.
Killing spree. There was a clipping issue. There was a hit detection issue.
بلاد.
Had to do something? Got any straws? Yep. It's almost like divine intervention. Fire it up. Drinking time. Hey, you bitch.
You can go Grimstroke.
Couldn't stop me. No worries.
لا تقدم نسيت براتيني.
Just follow my tail. Oh, either way.
Ya ölürün olsun.
It's the new stuff. Got ya. Hey, you.
Radiant just fortified your structures. You know what I'm talking about?
It's all on the way. It's how I live.
برغني هذه.
Always a sticky point.
What are we supposed to do when the enemy denies their middle tower like this?
What? You snowball.
Oh, Rick, he's dominating now. He's dominating.
لا.
Got any straws?
Bakit Nikita?
It's funny because it's really not my fault.
Arcane?
Just follow my trail.
Medyo belat.
Who we fighting?
Morty, middle tower.
Leave it.
Might want to look at it.
Oh, the tower's under attack.
It's how I live.
Man, you might as well save that energy because Radiant,
Nice.
Morty's your middle tower's under attack. Come on, get with it.
Off season. Now always a step ahead. Not yet.
يا نهار بالله بقي.
Don't any of you even congratulating yourself? No worries. Trails?
Oh man, this guy's dominating.
No worries. That's mine.
Oh, dah. Kapan ni kena?
Killing spree over here.
Open good.
Leave it.
He's dominating.
Dub dub. Ooh, your middle tower's under attack. You know, Morty, it sometimes feels like they don't even care.
Have a squid. I'm always on the right trail. What's it for?
Nice hope. Nice. Thank you.
Here we go.
Ah,
This
la kart koydu dihamran. Kanna vararın körüme bakkam.
function up. Doesn't matter how blurry.
Triple kill.
Pause it, peddling. Got any scrogs?
Whoa, they took out the enemy's top tower.
Well, that's what I call teamwork.
He's now dominating. He's dominating Rick.
Attack.
It's all on the way. Uh-huh.
Hooray! The enemy's bottom tower is destroyed.
We've
Hooray!
looked for one of these.
Bihim bir bet ikin nahanlık ikin. Cebe.
What? This one? It's more fun than storm. Oh, suss it. You couldn't stop me.
Oha. Öyle aldı.
Yeah. Trembling time.
Morty, you're not gonna like this. Top tower is under
Just
attack.
follow my tail.
Oh, sheesh.
No, this way. It's how I live. Nah, yeah. Who we fighting? Yeah, I see it. I'm king.
Tower's under attack.
Woo!
You better hold on to your hat because now it's a mega kill. That's 5, baby. 5.
Always.
Nice guys, so good.
This isn't an accident now.
No, this way. I'm always on my trail. Oh, sis.
Hmm.
Time to kill something? Just follow my tail. It's all on the way. Looks like this. Piece of cake. What's he gonna do? Man here?
Ass.
Makes me feel all warm and fuzzy. You always use the truth. I'm in the group.
Get up on out of here, because Radiant just fortified their structures.
Scumbags. That's the one. I'm keen.
Идиот. А, гнановых. Беда. Bakal butuh nan talahan daw. Eh, ito put na. Ah, yan ba?
The enemy's top tower's fallen.
Iya. Yan ariyan da butin li. Koskada.
Oh, the enemy's middle tower's gone. Serve them right.
The enemy's top barracks just got riggedy wrecked, son!
Ну, bu пятеркалар вартыл баттыры олық.
Frankly, Morty, no.
Ата-ана лапын.
Took out the enemy's middle tower.
Enemy's middle barracks just got wrecked, baby!
Gue kata kembral. Fuck you. Woo!
Enemy's middle barracks just got
Hehe.
baby!
Yeah.
Hello.
Guess what, guys? Friends is kind of a loose term for me. Sorry. Ripper. I'm keen.
Аббадан. Onu kayıplattı. Bir tüpigin olur
Couldn't
öğretmen.
stop me. Just follow my tip. This
Hiç Türk kanı buranın argında.
Oh, the enemy's middle tower's gone.
Oh. Cool down. Two minutes ito. Bien mo lang dyan. Dur battır. Тохтин аэропорту гуме. Типа препятствие в игре и не будет. Ha, onu işir buraya neptede. Hepsi de, hatta dedi. Ha, onu herip nepteştüldü. Billilik tubatı. Bu hata billilik bu. Şu kanlara yanında kötüdür. Обубать.
He's no magician, man. The kid made something out of nothing. Some that niggas from his hood act like he owe him something. They talk crazy till they send niggas through there to buck him. Ask him if it's a problem and he'll say nah, it's nothing. He was gonna help him out, but since they fronted, fuck him. He don't care how they feel, they can hate him or love him. He hold his own on his own, the kid is really thuggin'. He's rich now, he ain't changed, so niggas think he buggin'. Niggas try and buck him. Keep two pistols on his hip, I show you where he tuck 'em. Niggas say they
Дохуя нявд.
try to catch him slipping, they creeping, he start busting. This is the story of a warrior, I know you know it. True warriors go.
Your turn to ban. Hello?
Именно банго. Поехали.
You better pick your hero. 5 seconds.
Ёбаный в рот нахуй. Где мой инвокер? Вела составить на каре?
Было бы неплохо. Ну, ты же все равно инвокер будешь. Я просто пока хаза.
Инвокера нету.
Anda com hungry bar. Эй!
Заебись нахуй против СФчика. Я если что не подпивас. Так чуть-чуть.
Чуть-чуть пока.
В 2 часа ночи уже нормально не играю.
2 часа ночи? У тебя 2 часа ночи, чел? Куда
Просто
ты?
у кого-то шмотки стираются, поэтому спать не получается.
Это он так, знаешь, чтобы, бля, никто ничего не подумал. Сейчас рапиру соберет на ЦМ-ку, талант возьмет на скорость атаки. Будет хуярить.
А у тебя не 2 часа ночи, что ли?
Не,
Мне 2 часа ночи.
у меня час ночи. Блять, я думал, меня покажут, нахуй. Пиздец, обидно, все нахуй, я ливаю. Ебать, блять, это что за нахуй?
Нахуя сет?
Богиня, блядь. Пиздец.
Охуенно, блять, ребят, подарите этот сет.
In the bag? Stole the bag.
Блять, ну по сравнению с нашей ЦМ-кой, вот эта винга, она просто муа, вот так, знаешь.
Why aren't they doing anything? They're just standing around.
Ладно, ЦМ-ка, не обижайся, да.
I'm always on
Ничего. Жаль, что Текис влюбился, блядь, нахуй.
seeing one place too long.
Текис ее хочет. Текис будет.
See where the road takes us. We're going on a little field trip, Jix.
Ой, бля. А, сундук var, что ли?
Я его трахну, отвечаю, блядь.
I ain't ready for this. I didn't do this.
Ась.
Не суициднись ради нее.
Че, отжигать будем? Отжигать вот здесь на руне.
Going. Can't stay here.
Сука моя сексуальная, блядь, иди сюда, нахуй.
Into tunnel.
Чка моя, блядь. Ты моя, блядь, красоточка, блядь, моя, нахуй.
Don't need a horn to
Ай, как плохо
И,
заводчик.
блядь, сюда.
Вот так.
А, сука, трахну ее в один день. Пиздец. Неозабоченный парень.
Может, убегай.
Shenanigans?
Бей, бей, бей.
Blood has been spilled, Sporty, for the first time.
Это все, что я смог сделать, извини.
Да не, нормас, нормас.
On my way.
Да я там сам сдохнул.
Moving. Mischief.
Бля, Гархан линия. Да.
This place was boring anyway. I'm toying with you. You understand that, right? Come on, Jax.
Блин, чуваки потные на 2К помойки. Спавны блочит ногами, а не вардом.
Sooner we're out of here.
Ну, не случайно.
Let's get moving. Time to move. My time has come. Time to be tough. Here we go.
Oh!
Waiting for. Let's find something to steal. No time to dilly-dally. Jix, what do you say we go introduce ourselves? No one can stop us. See where the road takes us. A little mischief. Nothing's going to
Puta alaba.
What are we waiting for? Let's go, Jix.
Я сейчас сделаю стак мелкого кемпа. Там не умри.
No time to dilly-dally.
Не плачь.
Бля, блочек на спиде потащи.
Mischief.
МС не
Let's fly. Let's get moving.
Блять, эта линия немного потная.
You ready for shenanigans?
Я подурнулся.
Time to get into trouble. Когда-нибудь пригодится. I won't let you stop me. Let's see what we can take now. I'm always on the move. Time to move. We're going on a little field. Don't take too much
Next time, let's safety goggles.
time to be. I'll prove I'm the best.
Ой.
Here we go. See where the road takes us. Can't stay here. On my way. Can't stay here. Let's go. Mischief away. Time to get into trouble. The shadows will protect me. No time to dilly-dally.
Туда опасно.
Лель.
Такой конёшек, ну,
Да. Добре, да?
Let's get moving. I'm going. I disappear. What are we waiting for?
Блядь. Так oluyor.
Let's fly. Get ready for a surprise.
Же заебу его нахуй, бля.
Блядь.
у нас один вниз.
Güzel ededu.
Ну ты чё, бля?
Напад...
Я отойду, мне больно.
Бля, класс игру. Сыграл какая-то. Ой-ой. Ой-ой.
Бля, ну зачем? Зачем? Ладно, я бы забрал. Хорошо, хорошо, молодец.
No time to dilly dally. Time to What are we waiting for? Moving.
Honorable.
Time to be tough.
Просто лингвист.
Time to get out of here.
Типа нету, сорян. Мидера тоже у них нету. С причапаю к вам, антимаг. У СФ руна какая-то, хуй знает какая. А, у него волшебство.
Let's fly.
Больно кушал. Тут, короче, такой нет.
Pump is missing. Mischief on me. Thanks for holding your money for me. Ready for shenanigans?
Я иду. Блядь.
Ну я уже отменял атаку. Она автоматом полетела.
Да не, нормально, нормально.
Time to move.
О, блядь! Чё,
Let's go, Jix. I'll prove I'm the best.
Короче, старайтесь вард пугны разбивать, и я об него убиваюсь.
Да, вон, блядь, прячется в кустах. Там не так легко забежать и убить.
Книжку будешь брать? Почему?
Не, забирай.
Спасибо. Асаф ушел.
А у СФ инвиз, что ли, или что?
Да не, он тут был куда.
See where the road takes us. Let's get moving. I forged my own destiny. My time has come. Come on,
Whoa, you just unlocked positive encouragement. Sounds like
I'm going.
СФ нету. Хуй знает, где он.
Убьем?
Если подойдет, можно.
Да, если подойдет, не так.
Can't stay here. Time to get into trouble. What are we waiting for? Time to move. Let's find something to steal.
Gimme.
Moving. You ready for shenanigans?
Что, еще раз убьем?
Let's go, chicks. Let's get moving.
Блядь! А карты пигнестим бытты. Быттыхтайтын ба. Вай. Жин отты сыра.
Time to get serious.
we'll be fine. Let's party. It's like dire structures
See
are
where the road
going
takes us. Time to be tough.
Убьешь сам, я не буду трогать. всё.
Ладно, долго.
لا تعدل راس بكين.
That's more like it. This isn't going to end well. Let's fly.
Заберите, заберите, СФ заберет. А, нет, нет, я раньше заберу. Не дроп.
I'm always on the move.
Мем не заберем, если
Заберу. Сейчас, подожди секунду.
On my way.
Бегу, я бегу.
Time to get into trouble.
You know, Morty, it sometimes feels like they don't even care.
то Брумхандл берет, то
Мне не надо.
возьми тогда.
No time to dilly-dally.
организм собирает. Убить может.
Time to move. Come on, Jax. Can't stay here. My time. Time to be tough. Nothing can stand in our way.
Your middle tower is under attack.
Here we go.
Bu skine de.
I'll prove I'm the best.
Kanla bari.
Against the new team. You're on the Let's go, Jax.
Маны нет.
What are we waiting for?
Можешь этот к нам прийти?
Это куда?
Да у тебя его нету просто.
Oblivion.
What a mess.
You ready for shenanigans?
Oh, jeez, your top tower's under attack.
Let's get moving.
Блять. Пасковым березом.
Can't stay here. Oh. Let's find something to steal. No time to dilly-dally.
Hooray! The enemy's bottom tower is destroyed. Hooray! That was good playership. Oh, Rick! He's dominating now! He's dominating!
Я же говорю, что я трахать буду.
This is where you die.
Oh, your top tower's under attack.
Let's keep the money coming.
Ломаем вард, либо
Mischief
дефаем.
awaits.
Oh, jeez, Rick! The top tower's getting hit!
Как бы смысла нет.
Here we go.
Ну, еще раз придет.
Time to be tough. You're about to die. You're mine.
Миду Джакира один вроде бы. Клинкс фармит, я не знаю, что делать против Клинкса. Нужно к ним варды поставить. Посты обязательно носить.
I'm always on the move.
Я попробую забайтить на эту пачку. Может кто-нибудь выйдет. Только не показывайся, вот в кустах со мной стой, если... Во, СФчик.
Я тоже самый.
Let's go, Jax.
Блять, картик сервер.
I'll prove I'm the best. Time to move. Time to get
Свинга пойдет за ним.
a little mischief
Mm.
never killed anyone. I'm going. Let's find something to steal. Come on, Jax. Let's fly.
Я бегу.
What are we waiting for?
Оставь, оставь.
Time to move. Going.
Блять.
Вставляй.
No time to dilly-dally. Let's fly.
А вы такие же стояли.
Let's go, Jix. I don't think so. This isn't going to end well, right?
А, сука.
Some shenanigans, Jix. To go. I'll prove I'm the best. Mischief only.
Я не хочу под вардом пугны.
We're going on a little field trip, Jix.
А после БКБ.
Here we go. You ready for shenanigans? Let's find something to steal. Time to get into trouble. Oh. Wait your turn, Jix.
Блять, ну посмотрите, какая пачка нахуй на них идет. Почему никто не... О,
Time to be trouble.
давай, пока. А,
Бля.
блядь, пидорас нахуй.
Here we go. Shadows will protect me.
Сука, лох. Ёбаный, блядь. Сука.
Ветер так, ветер.
Макфармит заебись. ну.
Ага. А?
40, middle tower.
А, ну не. А? Блядь. Ага.
Let's go, Jix. You think I don't know how to fight? Let's find something to steal. See where the road takes us. Mischief only. Thanks for the catch. Time to get into trouble. Let's get moving. Yes! I'm going. What are we waiting for? You ready for shenanigans?
Бля, что можно против еулов сделать? Я хуй знает, как забивать.
Экс.
меня.
A little mischief never killed anyone.
Не, не интересно. Какой-нибудь этот.
Fire.
Да, вот я название забыл.
А? Доктор?
Пушим, надо пушить, go push. Что такое? What happened?
Да, он рус.
Типа он уже умер, но все еще на ногах стоит.
Че говоришь, он умер?
Он типа уже умер, короче, взрыв типа смертельный, но он стоял на ногах еще.
О, я иду, я ловлю его. Go.
А он сюда летит, он сюда типа.
My time has come.
Ловите его там, ловите он без этого. Давай.
You should run now.
На один.
Oh boy, you're
Ну ты чё?
All right, Jack. We'll have some fun.
Там Клинкс сюда.
Дура что ли нахуй?
We're going on a
Да пускай засвапается. А какие-то выше будет, чем у нее.
moving.
Бля, СФ заебал нахуй, бля.
No time to go.
Надо, чтобы он блинк тратил, бля. Так невозможно его ловить.
Let's find something to steal.
А собери Радик.
Бля, мне?
Но он зато не сможет блинкануться.
Нет, там возможно блинкануться.
Блин, кому кто
Бля, легче простого.
Let's get moving.
Еще долго не любить его.
Тимак, ты его ебешь.
Time to get
Нет, ты его не ебешь, он тебя ебет.
Ну, кайлами дали надо.
time to
Беги нахуй. Дарк Вилл за тебя пизды получит. Но у них противный пик. У них неохота вот эту вингу уже мертвую убивать, неохота ломать вард. Сет, блять, который блинкается, нахуй, тоже бесит.
What are we waiting for?
Если вот этот предмет выпадет, который мини-радик, уже заебись будет.
Let's go, Jix.
Да, ты потом подбери.
Они на Рошу. Давай, иди сразу на Рошу. Завар... А, все, ладно. Хоть в сторону они отдали. Забрал. Тут дура. Давай СФ поймаем, я СФ хочу трахнуть.
Good work, Jix. Mischief awaits. I'm going. I got a few. You're
Опана. Ну у них Аегис, не надо драться. Отходите. Бля, назад, парни.
У Клинкса уже предметы сильные.
Клинкс, ну дохуя уже.
Хорош.
Ну так, я их стянул. В принципе, go push. Стягивай теперь ты нахуй. Сейчас вот здесь давай повзрываемся. Один надо дефать, блядь, уже 30-я минута, нужно дефать один по-любому. Сейчас она второй скилл кинет и пизда тебе нахуй. Подожди, не начинай, не начинай. Без меня не начинай. У меня БКБ есть, я сейчас ебану их всех нахуй.
У Винги урон пиздец большой.
We're going on a field trip, chicks. Don't take too much time. Time to be tough.
Эх, да.
Хуй знает, что, блядь, наделать с этим Клинксом. Если они пятером соберутся. Да, покажи.
Бля, у него полманы было еще.
Да я просто такой.
Да ты ушел, антимаг, не бойся, назад, все, назад. Назад.
Клинкс, он везде бежал как раз рядом.
Я без маны, похуй.
No, Rick, I gotta tell you, my bottom
Там чуть не подорвал.
pretty good. Bottom tower under attack.
Тимак сплит пушит. Мы Space Created нахуй. Если антимаг не будет вывозить, я в руку соберусь и буду с руки пиздить.
Да ребахтали меня. Бля, новую не дал.
Да я не успел, я просто смотрю, чел снайт рядом со мной, а потом бежал в сторону. И я в итоге не доглядел, моя ошибка.
Соберите кто-нибудь в нашей команде, бля, этот лотус. По-братски, да, прошу, вот так. По-братски вот так, бля. Антимагу этот заебись будет, как его. А Ганим уже есть? Охуенно. Вот эта хуйня без этого.
No time to dilly-dally.
А, кстати, на Лифары он сбивает эффект лотуса? Хотим проверить?
You ready for shenanigans?
И ГОСТ себе возьми от Клинкза.
Ну, когда сделал сначала.
Дура нахуй.
Moving. See where the road
Там
Назад.
принц бегает еще рядом.
Можно их сейчас ебануть.
Блядь, Öyle ısınmakta.
Prove I'm the best. Let's check a weight. Nighttime has come.
Пушьте, пушьте, пушьте мид. Я тоже пойду пушить. Только я топ пуш.
Time to leave. Can't stay here.
Ой. Good Edbon.
We're going on a little field trip.
Назад. Попробуйте варды поставить в их лесу.
А нету.
Меня ждите, не деритесь. Антимаг, попробуй, пока мы будем драться, забрать в сторону. Байбека нету у меня, аккуратно играем. Ставь.
Чекни.
Они все бэк.
Окей, надо спушить тут. Хрень. Больно сделал. Уходите. У меня байбека нет. Play careful. У Аймы тоже байбека нету, не надо. Аккуратно.
Time to leave.
Блять.
Time to get
Ладно.
Бэк. Бэк.
Пизда,
Да,
это
на ХГ буду ходить.
Там бар сидит потом.
a little mischief.
Просто этот террорайзом пугай их. Чтобы АМ не умер.
What are we waiting for? I'm always on the move. I'm going. No time to dilly-dally.
Все без БКБ, блять, ну он серьезно нахуй что ли?
Let's find something.
Пугна противнее. БКБшка. Бля, ну не
А,
деритесь.
блядь.
АМ, уйди оттуда. Смотри, у него аркейн блинк. Бля, он ворвется, мы все умрем. Успей среагировать.
А,
Ломай,
бэх.
ломай. Он без этого? Без Аегиса?
А вот за.
Time to be
Паули. Всякий.
Похуй кексочек.
Let's go, Jix. We're going on a little field trip, Jix.
Я с тобой, антимаг.
No time to dilly-dally.
Если честно, ЦФ убиваем спокойно. Только не прыгай за мной. С той стороны, я сам убью.
We'll have some fun. Zoe. Let's find some.
Пойди, он бэбэк.
Бля.
Хорошо, если без бэбэка, это отлично. Это отлично прям. Я тебе говорю, не прыгай за мной, я сам его соло убью.
Can't stay here.
Да я думал, клинца еще ёбну.
Просто если бы я умер, это, бля, ЦФ. А так мы вдвоем с тобой разменялись. С дефа играй.
See where the road takes us. Mischief awaits. Jix, protect me. I'll prove I'm the best. This one's mine, Jix.
У него в паке еще...
Попробуй на агоним накопить. Слушай.
МКБ еще лежит в паке. Финса и БКБ.
You're ready for shenanigans? Let's roll.
Не скликнул, что ли?
Реакция. Да, не скипнул, плюс реакция.
Too much time. Let's get
Байбек не трачу.
Да бля.
Назад. Орчит.
О, да ты нахал. О, да. Бэбэк.
Давай, мы должны их выбить.
А, паха.
Назад, назад.
Бля,
Да,
пиздец.
нет, вряд ли.
Блять, вард очень
Убил,
сильно мешает.
ДПС нет. У Клинза бешеный ДПС.
Доигрались-то.
Ну да, наигрались.
Да. Не подает.
СФ без байбека по-любому.
Да, может, на монитор.
Так что ли?
We're not out of this fight yet. My time has come. Get out of here. You're not ready. I can take care of myself.
Назад от дефа снова играем.
See where the road takes us.
Да, на втором было, как бы не снесли бы его за секунды.
У нас?
Вчера БКБ прожмут, МКБ и пошли бить. ДПС же много.
Нам надо им вне базы встать. Вот, идут.
меня хекс есть. Go back.
We're going on a little field trip, Jim.
И таких как саморожденных-то. Интересно.
I'll prove I
Чисто в теории мы могли, конечно, в маках пробежаться. Нагло.
Можно попробовать. Антимаг снайп.
На долине.
Или антимага лучше сплит пушить. Байбек есть, АМ?
Нет, я ж побегал.
ready for shenanigans.
Понял. Тогда, блядь, нужно аккуратно играть. Все вместе. Сплит пуш сейчас не варит. Погодь, ну говорю, не пугай. У меня
А он
хекс.
БКБ прижал бы все равно.
У меня хекс. Мы можем ебануть его.
Going.
У меня хекс. Хекс нахуй. Оставляйтесь под этого. Готовы? Сэфиш. Антимаг, ТП назад, ТП. Вись. Нас падает сторона, просто уйдите. Видно. У нас этот трон падает, говорю. ТП дайте.
Radiant just fortified their structures. You know what I'm talking about? Start taking this seriously. You know, your agent is under attack.
Я глиф зря потом. Террорайзен откидывай.
Нету.
Был бы он, конечно, да. Ух, мы можем выиграть, дефайте.
Let's get moving.
Антимаг, блин. Не прыгай на... Теперь есть смысл, блин.
Бля.
Красиво, чутка.
I don't wanna hear it, chicks.
Блядь, он не там делает.
I don't get what I want, I get what I need. Every single day I'm heading off to my dream, and I get everything that I damn well please. I don't give a damn if you all listening to me, cause I run it. I'm the only one that really want it. I'm the only one that's really on it. I'm just being honest. I'm just doing everything I promise, cause I want it bad enough that I'ma make it as an artist. And I know I'm not the smartest, and I know I'm not the largest, but I promise you that I'ma be the one that worked the hardest, cause I promise you that I'm just getting started. And I promise you that my skills are getting sharper, so I'ma get charted. Can't be guarded, nah, I'm the one to get retarded. Get the party started, yeah, get the party started. Yeah, so let me get up on it. Yeah, bitch, you got me fucked up. I don't know what's up. Pour that shit in my cup. We about to turn up. Crank this shit up so loud. Sounds like we're sold out in front of the whole crowd. We lose control now. Y'all take this shit too personally. Everybody got a different version of me. Everybody gotta be learning from me. Everybody wanna be working with me, and I feel like there's uncertainty and urgency to find out what you wanna be. But honestly, we change our minds constantly, so stop and breathe to find out who you wanna be.
Good.
option. Don't try to stop this, work until I'm nauseous, cause I will not quit, no, because I want this. Don't try to stop me, never ain't an option, so I be cautious, I hope that you're watching. Don't try to stop this, work until I'm nauseous, cause I will not quit, no, because I want this. Don't try to stop me now. Did you learn anything? Really worth anything? 200 grand later and we're not even working. Student loans worth more than what we're earning. Best lesson I learned is to keep on searching. Find your true passion and get to work. And better take action or you end up serving. Yeah, that's a fact. So you better clean up, no act. So you better raise off a sack. And tell the world they can suck on that. Don't come back, pack your bags. You take a trip and don't relax. You hit the switch and just attack. You find your niche and make some racks. Don't hold back. Everybody wake up. It's time to break up with the life you made up. It's time to trade up, live the life you want now, a life you don't doubt. I could give a fuck how, just figure it out. Wake up, man, this life is a blur. Everyone's got an opinion, so which one you prefer? Cause I'll give you one that's coming from an entrepreneur. Don't give up on your dream, it is what you deserve. So I'd be cautious, I hope that you're watching. Don't try to stop this, work until I'm nauseous, cause I will not quit, no, because I want this. Don't try to stop me, never ain't an option, so I'd be cautious, I hope that you're watching. Don't try to stop this, work until I'm nauseous, cause I will not quit, no, because I want this. Don't try to stop me now. Yeah, it's our time to shine. Yo, that's the kind of state of mind you gotta combine with hard work and time. You gotta climb to the top. Don't let yourself drop till your heart stops. Let this beat rock. Got a new clock and a new stock for this new rock. Just let your mind loose from the new stock. Drunk off the goose, thinking that I'm too pop. Getting caught with a few thoughts cause I'm too lost. Off the speakers can't even handle me. Giving what I got, nobody will drain my energy. And I will never stop, I'm motivated by enemies. Setting up shop so everybody remember me. And though I am not going through life regretfully, I'd rather work non-stop, what they call incessantly, than work some more jobs just to live life pleasantly. Already got lost in my mind, not a fantasy, I'm getting ill-gotten soul, so stop, drop, and roll. You lost all control and pop off your ball. I got squat, I fall, I'm not bought, I'm sold. My stock rocks and roll, hey, knock, knock, she home and shit, talk to close. I ain't stopping though, it's hip-hop, you know, or is it rock and roll? I'm not dropping down, no, my pocket's strong. You can't stop the show, so get rockin' on. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. Taking that crown. projection and they still disconnected, cause their mind's been infected and they're filled with objection, too filled for recollection, so we're losing all attention. They don't know I'm in contention, cause I'm gaining their attention, cause I'm making a connection. Lyricism and aggression got me feeling my ascension in my passion, my profession. I'm attacking my obsession, taking action and progressing. I go off on the enemy, that's what makes them scared of me. Make my plans carefully, then execute them daringly. They say I act recklessly, but that's why I'm effective. See, you can't predict my tendencies, I offer no transparency. Some people think I'm lost, others think I'll be a legend. I'm never gonna stop till I'm one above second. And my thoughts at the top, but my mind stay present. Don't let your dreams stop, cause dreaming is a blessing. They tell me all the same, tell me I won't make a name, but it's not about the fame, it's about keeping me sane. So I stay within my lane, feel my blood pump through my veins, feel adrenaline, no pain, welcome all to my domain. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. Taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't never. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. Taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't never. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. Taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't never. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. Taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't gonna make.
Опыт.
Everybody on the top got the same sound. Everything I'm about to drop, make a name now. Yeah, y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. Y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. Yeah, I ain't never gonna be the same now. I'ma tear up this whole fucking game now. Yeah, y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. Y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. I got so many bars, call it kamikaze. Ain't nobody ever gonna ever stop me. And I know that I could be a little cocky. That's the byproduct of hard work. No, it's not free. I'm at a top speed. I think you lost me. Do not cross me. I keep dropping all these hits and I know that they watching. They keep showing up in my place, always knocking. Knock, knock, bitch, I've been standing right here. Been over 3 years and then you just got here. Man, get me a beer and open up the mirrors. Let me show you now what you've been missing for years. Call it premiere. I can take a boy's name and smear, or take it up a gear and end your career and make you feel fear, or make you disappear. Cause I am right here and not going nowhere. Everybody on the top got the same sound. Everything I'm about to drop, make a name now. Yeah, y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. Y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. Yeah, I ain't never gonna be the same now. I'ma tear up this whole fucking game now. Yeah, y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. Y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know.
Твоя магия грешна.
Snap fast like your girl's back, hit a clap, clap, break it in, smack, shine it like a quick snack. Like it when I'm all up in there. I'm finna win it like I win stacks. Every single that I'm in, man, it's been fact. These haters all get wrecked when I spit max. These haters all get bit in the pit fast. You better keep back, so you better move back. Y'all wanna play with the pro, not today. I'ma make you wish you were gone in my A. You will be my bitch, be my pawn when I play. You will be my bitch, take a palm to the face. You know I'm your biz when I'm on fucking stage. You ain't never gonna get me to be tamed. You can't detain this beat, so when I came to stay, cause girl I came to play. Everybody on the top got the same sound. Everything I'm about to try, make a name now. Yeah, y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. Y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. Yeah, I ain't never gonna be the same now. I'ma tear up this whole fucking game now. Yeah, y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. Y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know.
Знаешь,
Свен готов.
Я стоп!
Все
Yeah. I spit raps like a heart attack. Fast, fatal, hard impacts. Past painful scars. In fact, I blast tasteful laws and packs. I back up my actions back. Don't ask, rap reactions. Jacked attack with every word, then act with class as they hear me snap. I got nothing to lose, cause I fought and felt the bruise. Now I'm not the one confused. Call the shots and they produce. I ain't lost, I'm finding loose. Pick a new silver excuse. I need the views to boost me through a new abuse of being used. Everybody wants a piece now. Y'all can rest in peace now. You're dead to me, so peace out. Remember, you're just freaked out. Get ready for defeat now. I'm gonna make you bleed out. Listen, no repeat now and weed out all the weak now. it up and make a change. Don't remember yesterday. If you got something to say, speak your mind before you're great. Cause your life is yours to save. Ain't nobody gonna change. Everybody stays the same. So be different, make a name, huh?
I keep on moving forward, always getting closer. I'm marching till it's over, and just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer. I'm marching till it's over, and just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer. I'm marching till it's over.
It's ridiculous, I'm spitting this meticulous and limitless while others out there spitting shit got hits up on the charts. I see why other artists quit, cause people don't report this shit. They love to hate but hate to live. Society is swing and miss, and honestly I get it. Promise me you won't regret it. Wasting energy, forget it. Don't look back, who wanna get it. Bite the bullet just a bit. Bite your tongue and don't say shit. Make your actions hard to miss. Be a legend, not a myth. It's obnoxious that I'm conscious. Rapping honest as promise. Try to harness. As an artist, stay modest. It's a long quest. I will not quit till 10,000 people going off. When I drop this, I gotta make it now. Swear to God, I'm breaking out. Swear to God, I'll take a bow. Stand the stage with the crowd. Cause I got it figured out. I'm just honest and I'm loud. Saying modest, but I'm proud. No, I never had a doubt. Yeah.
I keep on moving forward, always getting closer. Marching till it's over, and just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer. I'm marching till it's over, and just like a soldier.
I am full of surprises. And the bag? Stole the bag? My bag. Can't stay here.
Oh, geez, Rick, we're in some real trouble. I know, Morty. Follow my lead.
We're going on a little field trip, Jake. This place is boring anyway.
I keep on moving forward, always getting closer.
Let's find something to steal.
Marching till it's over, and just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward. Always getting closer.
On my way.
I'm marching till it's over.
Let's go, Jix. Let's see where the road takes us.
Let's go. I ain't the first with the curse, with the thirst that I wanna be better, not worse, man, it hurts. I'm on this earth with my words and I put them all together, insert, cause I wanna have worth. Working hella hard till they put me in the dirt. Gonna go far, man, listen to my words. Gonna be a star, man, life's like a blur. When you're working this hard,
Here we
till you
go.
get what you deserve. Yeah, I ain't taking a backseat, I'm passing. Anybody else who is rapping, I'm nasty. Ain't nobody able to catch me.
What are we waiting
They
for?
cannot compare, they can't match me, I'm at half speed. I got your girl and
Who's
she
that blowing the
laughing
horn?
and dancing.
Somebody
Time to
stop
move.
blowing that horn.
Come on, Jix. We have work to do.
She knows that I live lavishly. I wanna live cold inside. Give all I have.
No time to dilly-dally.
Feel alive. I fight to live. I fight to strive.
Can't stay in one place too long.
I want the whole world in the palm of my hand. I got a plan, I'm the man. Now I'm teaching the game, a veteran, better than anybody else who tests me. I'm ready, looking in my hand and it's steady. I'm trending, ascending and blending, lyrical bending.
Let's
I'm
fly.
spreading and getting my name out now. Yeah, they're hearing me laugh. All the crowds repping the sound.
Time
I'm
to
hitting
get
the
into
ground,
trouble.
running up and coming. Ain't nothing, yeah. Rookie of the year, I'ma keep it 100.
I'm always alone.
Blooded, nobody
I don't think so.
nothing. Do something, I ain't bluffing. I got a full hand and a full plan. I ain't gonna stop till I'm at the top, man. Every single drop got me
Sooner we're out here,
Eee.
I'll take that. A little mist road takes us. You ready for shenanigans? I'm going. Moving. Come on, Jax. Let's fly. Time to move. Time to get into trouble. I need help. Let's get out of here.
Truth be known, you
What are
didn't
we
do too much
waiting for?
there. You killed a person. Who cares?
To go.
Пошел.
Mischief awaits. I'm going. No time to dilly-dally. Here we go. Let's get moving. On my way. Let's go, Jix. We're going on a little field trip, Jix. You ready for shenanigans? Jix, what do you say we go introduce ourselves? Take your turn, Jix. I'll prove I'm the best. See where the road takes us. Not so fast. Time to mana. Time to beat.
Huh.
Can't stay here.
Huh.
I'm going.
Бля.
Time to get into trouble. Mischief awaits. What are we waiting for? Here we go. No time to dilly-dally. Let's fly.
Yes.
You think I don't know how to fight? Go. Get ready for a surprise. Nobody's on the move.
Походу.
You think you can drag me to the Tyler estate? Move. Time to move. You ready for shenanigans?
Radiant's courier got killed. You know how much stuff he was carrying?
Let's keep the money coming. Let's get moving. Let's start some shenanigans.
Бля, автоматом бьет, да ебал. Я живая хотел.
Come on, Jix. trouble. Let's go, Jix. A little mischief never killed anyone. No time to dilly-dally. Let's get moving. Time to move. Let's fly. Let's see where the road takes us. Here we go. On my way. I take what I want and what I can. Come on, this isn't going to end well for you. Let's get moving. My time has come. Oh. Time to get into trouble. What are we waiting for? Can't stay here. Let's find something to
Агр давай плади.
We're going on a little field trip. Moving. I'll really bring the best. You ready for shenanigans? Time to be tough. Always on the shadow. Always said things would catch up with me. God, I hate that little runt.
Look, I'm not paying 70 smidgens for a broken defraculator.
What are we waiting for?
Açcanını dinlediler. Onları görür batladı.
Can't stay here. Time to regroup. See where the road takes us. Time to get into trouble. Let's fly. Oh.
Ууу, патан.
Here we go. Time to move. I'm going.
Это, блядь, доллары, да? Тут бак. Жалынларды.
for greatness. I'm the type of dude who could really make changes, cause I'm the type of dude that's becoming contagious. I'm the type of dude that will always be ageless. I'm the type of dude that will always feel shameless. I'm the type of dude that they say is fucking heinous, cause I'm the type of dude that you know is
Not so fast. You're gonna I'm always on the move. On my way. Come on, Jack. Let's keep a lookout. Let's get moving.
take it now. No, you're never gonna make it. I'ma save
A little mischief never killed anyone.
take the muzzle off my face, out of my mouth every word that will make.
Here we go.
Never had a doubt of the life that I'm making. Never had a doubt of the
Let's find something to steal.
never had a doubt.
There is nothing that can stop this man!
It's all about having
Moving.
when you're chasing me. Now I'll leave your ass in the street. Now
God, I love money. Time to move.
6 feet deep. Now
What are we waiting for?
hell out of my way. Now it doesn't matter what you say.
Let's get moving. I don't need my father's money. I need my own.
Red.
Proving the best. Time to get out of here.
Bet. No, çok sok. Pisto. Kim kafiri?
You're a big
Force
Russian.
field leads me to believe that Dire
Leah.
find their structure.
No time to dilly-dally. Let's go, Jix. Time isn't on your side. Good to go.
Yeah, I just wanna be the greatest.
I'm going.
Everybody knows my name, shit. I'ma have this whole fucking game list, spitting with the same wit. Vision to make it, never wanted to be nothing, always wanted to play shit. Sit in class, always wondering why I know the same shit. How the hell am I different if we all know the
Let's
same
fly.
shit? I ain't never let them doubt me, it's about me. Keep my head down, let my mouth speak, this around me.
Time
They
to
all
be
about the clout, see, with the crowd. Every time I speak loudly, they more about me. Man, you know I got a bounty. I'm these
See where the
lousy
road takes us.
haters that surround me, so they doubt me. They don't know nothing about me, so the mouth free. I'ma change that soon, better watch out now, see?
Can't stay here.
And I just wanna be famous.
I'm going.
Just wanna be the greatest.
What are we waiting for?
I just wanna be famous.
Time to be trouble.
And I'm not playing any more games. Either put me on the charts or I'll
Time
put
to
you
get
up
out
the
of
list. I don't recognize art 'cause I don't forget names. Should've seen me from the start. Coming at you like a train. Think I'm about to fall apart every single fucking day. Seeing all these damn stars in my world fame. And I spit these gold bars while they spitting out shit. Man, I give this shit hard, but it gives me back pain. I wanna
No
be a
time to dilly-dally.
spectacle. They skeptical, but man, I got that chemical exceptional. I do it all intentional, professional. So I don't think a decimal incredible. I'm not thinking, man, they're saying that I've gone insane. I'm not ever gonna make it 'cause the game has changed. I'm not good
We're
enough,
going
man.
on
No,
a
that's
little
not
field
okay.
trip.
Tell me that shit again and I'll stop the rain.
Time to move.
Еще как ты виноват?
Be the greatest. Man, I just wanna be famous. Now wake up, you got some shit to do. It's 6 a.m., I don't care, you got some shit to prove. 'Cause right now, you ain't got nothing that big to lose. So get your ass to work and don't you dare hit snooze. Can't stop this, I'm obnoxious. And I'm honest and novice with promise. Made monstrous, I'm conscious, but I'm nauseous. Think I've lost it, I'm gone. Getting all this, still I'm not it, I got this. I will not quit, man, I'm all in, ballin' on a budget.
You know,
Man, I'm
Rick, I gotta
stalling,
tell you, my
crawling,
bottom
'cause I'm
tower-
nothing,
My
but I'm
time is
really
coming.
calling.
Bottom tower under attack.
Yeah, I'ma get it now, you can leave if you don't like it. Say it out loud.
Ну, поганки.
Делайте ТП, не корзи. Что, в пустыне нельзя было сделать? Обязательно было так делать.
Time to move. What are we waiting for?
Огур, купи варды, а синтриков побольше. Ну, не могу уже нахуй.
А ТПшки нет.
Your top tower's under attack. Oh, jeez, your top tower's as good as done. Oh, the enemy's middle tower's gone. Serves them right.
I'm gonna have fun.
Middle barracks just got wrecked, baby.
Да, не сломаем ж.
And might as well save that energy because Radiant just no Rick, I gotta tell you, for
Гоу Рош. Изолятор есть у тебя? Да, пойдем на Рош.
Time to be tough. See where the road takes us.
Гоу Рош.
В центре нету у них.
See where we can take them. We're going on a field trip.
Да, да, нах.
Дайте только мне Аегис, а?
No time to dilly-dally.
your bottom tower's under attack.
On my way. What are we waiting for?
Крипов-то нету.
I'm going. Time to move.
Oh yeah, your bottom tower's under attack. What a
No
mess.
time to dilly-dally.
You know, Rick, I gotta tell you, my bottom
fly.
tower is looking pretty good. Bottom tower under attack.
Move on. I won't let you stop me. Time to get into
Блядь, вард ломайте, ёбана. Блядь, вард, ёбаная сука. Чё за, блядь, тупизм? Я ебал. Я так и знал, что сдохну из-за этого варда.
Your bottom tower's under attack.
He just mega kill.
Trade times 4. Can't stay here. I'll prove I'm not
Блядь.
time to get out of here. Gotcha. Time to be tough. See where the road takes us.
Whoa, they took out the enemy's top tower.
Let's get moving. I can take care of
The enemy's top barracks just got riggedy wrecked, son! Oh, I can't
my
believe
Jeff
it.
never
What a
killed
wonderful
anyone.
thing.
I'm always on the move. Come on, Jeff. My time has come.
Ah, the enemy's bottom
Here we go.
tower is gone. Did it.
Let's go, Jex. Go. We're going on a field trip, Jex.
Top tower's getting hit.
On my way.
Блядь.
This just in. The enemy's bottom barracks It's a killing spree over here.
Time to be tough. Let's fly. You're mine. Let's find something to steal.
He's now dominating.
See where the road takes us.
Ломать, пожалуйста.
It's not like I disappear.
The enemy's middle tower's gone. Serves them right.
Time to get it.
There's no accident anymore.
I can't
This isn't an
do
accident now.
I'll prove I'm the best.
Looks like dire structures are fortified.
The world will remember the name Mariska. Time to move.
Sheets under my feet, another cup of coffee and me, that's what I need. My eyes puffy, I can't see, I'm too tired to function, but too lost to sleep. Ay, I think I need to be on something medication. I think I need to figure out this education. I think I needed just a better education to understand the world that's so complicated. Intoxicated, every night faded, just so I can sleep thinking that it's sated. I feel
Nereden buladı?
feel hatred, I'm lost deep in my mind that I've created. I have dreams when my life is devastated. Feel so real that I wake up shaking. Need thicker skin cause this life is no haven. Nod your head if you get what I'm saying. All these thoughts keep me up at night. Yeah. What am I doing? Did I do it right? Yeah. All these thoughts keep me up at night. Yeah. I can't think straight, need the light. Yo. All these thoughts keep me up at night. Yeah. What am I doing? Did I do it right? Yeah. All these thoughts keep me up at night. Yeah. I can't think straight, need the light. I really think I understand this world now. Got my head spinning round in a circle. Everybody lacks what they need internal, so they compensate with everything external. Not trying to throw shade, no way. I'm just trying to find the meaning of life, hey. There's happiness if you try to live the right way. Forget about what others have and live your life, hey. Be aware of who you are, what you're good at. Take a step forward, see where your foot's at. Stand tall, stand proud, talk loud. Every word out your mouth has purpose now. You just gotta get rid of the bad thoughts. Hating others cause you know that they got a lie. Forget that though, you got plenty, you're alive in this
Ya.
life. You got time, go get it.
Ayuh.